I'm 91 years old, don't forget. What, I need something to hold on to. Don't let me do it.
Okay.
I'm short. Too short for this type of thing.
We'll leave the door open so it's not so hot. You might want in a few minutes take off your jacket because it may be kind of hot where it's all.
Right now,
It'll get warm in there.
Get warm there. Good morning, my brother.
Good morning.
My most courageous man that I know. You are too, I tell you what. That magazine more about all the different types of articulations and stuff. Tell you what, it makes you appreciate the engineering of that thing. It's pretty amazing. So, looks like we're tuned in here. There it is, clear. Keys out of my pockets, I'm sitting on. Altimeter set here. We can set that thing for about 60 feet or so. And rotor brake is disengaged. Okay, throttle just for priming. Throttle's closed, master switch is on now.
I want to know about is where the gas gauge is. Look up here, Mom. Let me get a picture of y'all. I think I paused this.
Give us a wave.
Hello there.
Give us a wave.
What a wonderful day. It doesn't get any finer than this. Have a fun time.